Expert bathroom remodeling services in Palmyra, Utah. For homeowners in Palmyra, Utah, looking to transform their bathroom, EagleRidge is the trusted name for expert remodeling. We specialize in creating stunning, functional spaces with top-quality craftsmanship and attention to detail. Whether you're updating an outdated design or adding luxurious features, our team ensures a seamless renovation experience. Our services cover every aspect of bathroom remodeling, from design and planning to demolition and structural modifications. We handle plumbing installations, electrical work, lighting upgrades, and ventilation improvements to enhance comfort and efficiency. EagleRidge offers a wide range of premium product installations, including bathtubs, showers, enclosures, sinks, toilets, mirrors, cabinets, and countertops. Our expert team installs custom tile for floors, walls, and showers, providing a sleek and durable finish. We also specialize in vanity and sink installations, shower door enclosures, flooring options like tile, vinyl, or hardwood, and finishing touches such as painting, trim work, and molding. Our team ensures accessibility modifications for enhanced safety, including grab bars and walk-in tubs. For those seeking a luxury spa-like experience, we provide heated flooring, radiant heating, saunas, steam rooms, jacuzzis, bidets, skylights, and even aromatherapy systems. Smart technology integration, such as smart mirrors and touchless fixtures, is also available to bring convenience and modern functionality to your bathroom. With EagleRidge, you can expect a hassle-free remodeling process, clear communication, and expert craftsmanship that enhances both the beauty and value of your home. Call us today at 801-784-1457 for a free estimate, and let's bring your dream bathroom to life in Palmyra, Utah.